Hi, we are here to discuss about magnetometer. Okay. First, we'll see what is the effect of magnet on water divining. See, the basic principle completely depends upon EMF. Okay. That is, you would have seen. For example, we'll take magnet. Okay. Opposite poles attract and same poles repel. Okay. The same thing is done in this one. Okay, we'll take a small stick first to find water. Okay, see, this is a small stick. Okay, so when we see here, we have got water here. Okay, at this place. Okay, so we'll mark this place with the same stick. Okay, and we'll see with a magnet and an magnetometer. Okay, we'll see this video in detail because many have asked how this is working and what is the principle behind it. Okay. See, this is a magnetometer which stands between north and south, so you can adjust according to your thing which is north and south. Okay, so when we see that, we can easily adjust to its north and south position with it. We'll take a small magnet in case. We'll see how deflection changes. See, you can see that you can verify it when a magnet is nearby. You can see that there is variation in the poles due to repulsion. Okay. This is the basic principle how magnetometer is used. Okay. Actually, this magnetometer is just a compass which is used in navigation. So that is why here you will be having the thing at the top, natural sign. Okay, what has been done, everything, your standards are there. Here you will be having the adjustment to make it to the center position. When you keep it to the exact center position, you can see that this moves to north and south position, and it is deflected when there is magnet is taken near to it. Okay, this is the basic of this magnetometer. Actually, this purpose of this magnetometer, as we have seen, is just a compass. It is used for navigation, but we are using this in water divining. Okay, we'll first see this place with a magnet. Okay. See, this is the place which we have seen that there is water. Okay, there is no change in it because this is the oldest method using a Y-shaped stick. Okay. Then we are taking a magnet. Okay. See that this magnet is always proceeding in east and west. This is north and south. Okay. When we are taking near to the water point, see, it begins to rotate. Okay, this rotation is due to the force that is applied at this place or repelling of magnetic point. Okay, when we take it to the other place, it does not happen, but when we are bringing it to this point, it starts to rotate because of the opposition of this force. Okay. The same thing is done in magnetometer, but in magnetometer one purpose is that you can find the amount of water that is coming out by calculating the angles that has been suspended due to this point. of navigation. Okay, see, we'll see when we are keeping it, it is in this position. Okay, when we are bringing it near to the water point, see the angle of deflection changes. Okay, this was normally in 0. See now what happens. Okay, due to the change in magnetic field, there is a angular difference that is made here. It goes to 0 to 30 due to the change in magnetic field that is happening here also. Due to this, there is a rotation that has been happening here also. There is a change in magnetic field. Okay. For calculation, we'll take what is the difference of magnitude of angle that has been suspended, and we'll be taking its angular position. Okay. But for water divining, this is not an exact method actually for finding water, but this is an additional technique that can be used to find water. Whatever we think that might be different or anything, I can only say that this is an instrument additionally which can be used. Okay, this does not give 100% result in water divining, because when we see every particle in universe has got magnetic energy. Even a black rock, clay soil, or anything, when you see there is magnetic energy in it. If there is a strong magnetic field, this also deflects. So you have to know how to differentiate between a water point and a normal magnetic circle that is got from a rock or any faces. Okay. So the calculation for this with angular is little more tedious. We'll see later. Thank you.